All right, so let's pick up where we left off with our spring break trip. We're trying to save up our money to go to Greece. You need at least $1,800. $1,800 gets you on the bus. Anything greater than 1,800, you're having just a good old time. So you've already got $500 saved, so you're on your way. You got 14 weeks left before the trip. So you're trying to figure out how much do I need to save on an average per week to meet my $1,800 goal or more. The more you save, the more you've got for your trip. So hopefully you subtracted 500 on both sides. Okay, the 14x comes down. It's still greater than or equal to 1,800 minus 1,500 is 1,300. You're going to divide both sides by 14. Your calculator will help you. 1,300 divided by 14 is $92.86. Now notice, I didn't say 92.8. We're talking money. So I don't need to estimate or round or anything. You need to save this much per week to meet your goal. Or you could round if you wanted to say, okay, I need to save $93 a week. Anything less, this is what you need to understand. Anything less than this, you're not going. If you save $92.85 a week, you're not going to meet your goal, and you'll be sitting at home where everybody else is in Greece. So I'm done here. I can just stop right here, or I can say I need to save $92.86. Now, you got one more problem here. It's a short one. Number 5. Now keep in mind, this word problem is maybe 2 or 3 years old. So when I say the new Xbox Connect, I know it's not new anymore, okay? But at the time that I wrote this word problem, it was hot, right? So the new Xbox Connect bundle at the time was $399, okay? You have $500 saved. Each video game is $49, and you want to figure out with your $500, how many video games can you buy? So $500 is what you have, not a penny over, all right? So you cannot go over your $500 limit. The money that you spend either has to equal to $500 or less than that. So your inequality becomes less than or equal to $500. That's what you're working with. This is your magic number. No more or then you've gone over your limit. You got $399 to spend on the bundle. And then if each video game is $49 each, that's represented as 49 times X. So then the rest is simple arithmetic. You're going to subtract both sides by 399. Okay? That cancels. 49, is that coming through okay? Yeah. 49X less than or equal to $101 divided by 49. That gives you 2.06. Now we're talking video games. You can't buy 2.06. So you got to decide, can I buy 2 games or can I buy 3? Okay? If you say I can buy around $3, you are lying because 3 games, because if you plug in a 3 here and multiply it by 49 and add it to $399, it's going to exceed 500. You're in the red. You've gone over your limit. So your answer to this problem is not 2.06. Your answer is about 2 games. With your $500, you can buy your Xbox Connect and 2 additional games, and you stay under your $500 limit. So this covers multi-step inequalities. Hopefully you can handle the work that's given, plus recognize your special cases, and muddle your way through these word problems. They're not going in